Safely increasing the limit on Capital One cards is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, make timely payments. Now, this is the most important factor in building a good credit history and demonstrating your creditworthiness to Capital One. You can pay your credit card bills on time or early to establish trust and encourage a limit increase. Then maintain a low credit utilization ratio. You should aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30%. This shows Capital One that you are managing your credit responsibly and not overspending. And use your credit card regularly. Then actively use your Capital One card for purchases and pay them off on time. This demonstrates reliance on the card and responsible credit usage, which could incentivize Capital One to increase your limit. After that, request a credit limit increase. Contact Capital One customer service and directly request a credit increase. Explain your reasons for seeking a higher limit and provide your income proof and other financial documents. Now, update your profile and ensure your Capital One profile is updated with accurate information like your current address, employer details, and income. This helps Capital One assess your financial situation and determine if a credit limit increase is justified. Also, consider alternative options. If Capital One doesn't approve your limit increase request, consider alternative options like getting a secured credit card or borrowing from friends or family.